Good morning, dear students. Today's lecture is about life in the future, and as you know, future is something interesting and contains a lot of things, so you need certain preparation. So how do you plan? The first question about future might be, how do you plan your future? Everything in our life must be planned except for certain things, so you must think how to plan and design your future. I need from you to think on this question and try to answer it later. Can you imagine doing things in future? How can you do things in future? Of course, there will be a lot of robot and easy things that can be done just by pressing your finger. So in my opinion and others people's opinion, life in future will be very easy and fantastic. Now, do you believe that robot will replace human life and everything done by human can be done by a robot? And what is the advantage and the disadvantage of that? I want from you to think about this question and prepare your answer. Now, the best way to predict your future is to create it. This is what Lincoln called. So it is an quotation taken from Lincoln. So do you believe in such a saying, and what is your point of view about predicting your future? Can you predict your future, or there are certain clues that can help you to predict your future? At the end of our lecture, we will take this quotation that life is a preparation for the future, and the best preparation for the future is to live as if it's there, where no one. So you have to prepare and design your future as if it is here, as it is now. You live it. Thank you for your listening. We will end our lecture.